Do your contacts disappear after updating your iPhone to iOS 18? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you easy ways to fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check iCloud contacts. Open up the settings, then tap on Apple ID. Next, tap on iCloud. Here, you will find the Saving is Paused section. Now tap on See All next to the Saving is Paused section. Now scroll down again and find the contacts. Make sure to toggle on the contacts. If it's already on, try turning it off, then back on again. This can sometimes refresh the connection and bring your contacts back. Solution 2. Add contacts account. Go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Next, tap on Contacts. Now tap on Contacts account. Then tap Add Contacts. Then tap Add Accounts from here. Now simply add an account to bring back your contacts. If you still have the same problem, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Offload and reinstall. Go to the settings, tap General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Contacts app. Then tap on it. Here you'll see the offload option. Just tap on it. Wait for a few seconds. Then tap on reinstall. It will take a little time, but don't go away. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open up the settings again. Tap General. Now scroll down again. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Then tap Reset all settings again. I hope this helps fix your problem. If this video is useful, don't forget to like it. Have any questions? Write them in the comments and I'll answer soon. Thanks for watching and see you next time.